2025, the demand for video editors has never been higher. Content creators, coaches, course sellers, consultants, all of them are fighting for a place on your homepage. And all of them need a video editor. But the same methods that I was using in 2020 and 2022 to land clients just won't work in 2025. Fiverr, Upwork, and all of these other job sites, sure, they still work and they might land you the occasional job. But if you're looking to become a freelance video editor full-time in 2025, you need a way to land high quality, reoccurring clients. In 2025, there's a whole new method that video editors just like you can use to sell video editing services for literally thousands of dollars per month. And these are the same strategies that I implemented to build a six-figure editing empire. And the best part about all of it is it doesn't actually matter how good you are at editing. Previously, when it came to video editing and content creation as a service, your quality of work was the thing that sold. This is all changing, and I'm about to show you how to capitalize on it in 2025. So let's get straight into it and look at the fact that there are editors that have way less talent than you, but are still able to make 10 times your revenue. So how are they doing it? Well, it's actually kind of simple. Instead of spending hours hustling in Premiere Pro and After Effects, they spent time learning how to package and productize their editing service to deliver an ROI to their clients. So that's exactly what I'm going to show you in this video. Regardless of your niche, what content you create, who you work for, I'm going to show you exactly how to package and productize your editing into a monthly reoccurring service instead of chasing these one-off gigs like we used to do in 2016. Now, I'm going to skip over all of the basic kind of advice like make a Twitter, work on your branding, all of this stuff, because I've covered all of that in a previous video, which you should go and watch if you're interested in starting an editing agency. Now, you might have just heard me say editing agency and go, whoa, I don't want to start an agency, I just want to be an editor. And well, here's where you should take a step back. By becoming a video editor and just a video editor, you are chasing this artistic dream of content creation. Instead of chasing revenue and results, you're chasing a really pretty frame for your video. Which, don't get me wrong, if you love editing and you have passion for it and that's all you value, then I can't stop you and I do recommend you do that. But if you're looking at video editing as a side hustle or something that you eventually want to turn into a business and a full-time career, you will struggle to get there and hit these crazy numbers that some people are making just by editing pretty videos. So let's get into the stuff that's actually going to make you money with step one. And step one is to productize your editing. If you transform your editing and your videos into something that actually gets your clients results, you are suddenly able to charge a lot more money for your service. Right now, every editor out there is just making really pretty videos and that's what people pay for them. But if you're able to completely reframe your editing into a service that actually gets your clients new leads, more impressions, higher growth, suddenly you're able to charge a lot more money. I covered this in a previous video and I don't want to just repeat myself in every single video, but if you can build a service from your editing that delivers an ROI and delivers a result for your client, then you will be able to charge a lot more, progress faster, and eventually outsource your work into an actual business instead of just a freelance gig. Whatever it is, whatever niche you're in, whatever you're trying to sell, the end result of your service needs to be selling a result. As I said, that could be more impressions, that could be more sales, that could be more leads, that could be absolutely anything, but it needs to be something that a client can look at and go, yes, he got me more of this from these videos. Whatever it is, whatever niche, you need to be selling the result. Now, some of you might be watching saying, well, I just want to be a video editor, and that is absolutely fine. If you have no interest in starting a big agency and working with hundreds of clients or even just 20, 30 clients, you can still work with a very small select amount of clients but deliver a very premium results-based outcome for them and charge a lot more money. My average client is worth around $2,500 per month, and I don't charge that amount of money just because I edit really cool videos. So make sure you utilize this when you're actually developing your service. and picture yourself as an ad agency. We make videos that get you results. That's what you need to do, and that's what you need to be selling in 2025. Now, if you're sat there right now developing your offer and trying to work out what to do, you can hop into my free Discord and get tons of advice from me and my community and get access to tons and tons of free resources. So now that you know that you're going to be selling a service and not just a one-off edit, we need to move on to step 2, which is identifying your ideal client. I've been editing for like 2+ years, and I did it personally long before that. And since then, I've only ever focused on working with gaming clients. And that's because by focusing on just one specific niche, you're able to become a huge authority figure and charge way more money. The editor that does a Fortnite montage on Monday and a finance video on Wednesday is going to really struggle to scale because you're in tons of different places at once. But if you work with one specific group, working to deliver one specific outcome, as I said, you can become a huge authority figure in that niche. So a really common one that I'm going to use as an example in 2025 is course sellers and consultants. If you're going to focus on this one specific demographic, you need to work out what's going to actually help them and what results they're looking for from their content. So what would course sellers and consultants benefit from? Well, they'd benefit from a consistent YouTube account that brings them new exposure and new leads every single week. This is a very specific service that I know does really well. I personally know 7-figure entrepreneurs that are selling this service on a daily basis. But the niche doesn't matter. There's money to be made literally everywhere in any niche. All you need to do is identify a specific group and then identify a specific outcome that they'd benefit from. And this is where most editors are going to drop off because they are simply too lazy. Instead of just editing, if you can script some videos, if you can write titles, tags, if you can manage their channel, post the videos for them, if you can do all of these things additionally on top of your editing, you can add an extra $1,000 in MRR just like that. Is it a lot more work? Yes. Yeah, it is a lot more work. Is it what video editors typically do? No, not really. But all of this work can be outsourced. You don't have to script the videos. You don't have to make the thumbnails. You don't even have to write the titles. You can just go and hire other people to do every bit of the job that you can't do. And you can sit at the top as a bit of a puppet master, controlling each different aspect of the channel and packaging it all together into one service. And suddenly you'll realize that you're able to charge up to $2,000 to $3,000 a month for one client instead of $200 a video. But this is a really important step in your career, and it's one that you watching this need to think about, and one that most editors don't think about. And this is where I ask you if editing is your artistic approach at content creation, or if it's just a way for you to generate revenue and build the life that you want. You need to make that choice, and you need to work out what you want to do. I was able to scale my agency to 6 figures a year at just 21 years old and build a life of freedom where I could, move out and work for myself and not have to listen to some crazy boss. Now, if you want that for yourself, but you don't want to have to put in the 2 years that it took me to get there, then I do offer a one-on-one mentorship scheme. If you're looking to get your results faster, hit your goals faster, and skip out the 2-year learning phase, then you can book a direct call with me where we'll sit down one-on-one and work out what I can do to help you. But let's get straight back into it. Why, by just adding these small features like account management, thumbnail design, scripting, can you suddenly charge so much more? Because suddenly you're providing an actual result. You are putting together the pieces of a puzzle that creates a lead magnet for clients, or gets more views for clients, or gets more engagement for clients. Whatever it is, whatever point that you are delivering for your clients, by packaging all of these things together, suddenly you provide an insane service that's really valuable. And this is an actual service that I've provided. I built one of my clients' channels all the way from 0 to 55,000 subscribers in under a year, and I managed everything. The thumbnails, the video ideas, the titles, the posting, the editing. I managed all of this and packaged it together, and it came along with an awesome monthly invoice of just over $3,000. And I will remind you, that's in the gaming niche. If you're a video editor right now who makes gaming videos and you're struggling to charge $150, $200, note that there are people out there like me that are charging thousands of dollars for videos that are no better than yours. I just want to stress that you don't have to do this for course sellers and consultants like everybody else does. You can do this in any niche if you can provide a good result for your clients. As I said, my agency focuses on helping streamers grow and run their YouTube channels completely done for them. Now let's move on to the final step, which is outreach. Outreach is the most important part of any business, but it's also the hardest bit. Now, instead of sitting here and yapping to you about outreach, I just put together a free Discord server that you can join. So if you are looking to level up your outreach, I've got like almost an hour's worth of courses on how to send awesome DMs, what kind of outreach you should be doing for what kind of clients, and there is tons and tons of free value in this Discord. So I won't make you watch this video any longer. If you've watched this far into the video, I really appreciate you. Hop into that Discord, join the community. We're growing every single day. I appreciate you guys for watching, and take it easy.